Welcome back to the Get Ready for Christmas Challenge. I'm so glad to have you join me today. If you're just starting now in March, don't worry. We usually start in October, November, even December to start getting ready for Christmas. So even if you're starting now, you're not behind. There's just a few simple things that you can do to get ready. I will put the links for the other videos down below. Today, or this month, this is what I want you to do. This is more of a hands-on thing and it's pretty simple. I just wanted to do something kind of fun. So what I did was took an old Christmas bag and I made my Christmas gift tags all out of those, and I've already written everybody's name and who it's from, because for the most part I give the gifts to the same people and I have an idea about how many gifts I want to give each of them. So I will show you that now. So here they are, all, can you see them? They turned out cute. You don't have to hole punch them if you don't want to, but then you can just put to and love or from and write their name. It took me about 10 minutes, but 10 minutes on the night before Christmas when I'm trying to wrap everyone's presents, it's a lot of, every little bit adds up. So just any little thing we can do to make this go more smoothly is great. So get your gift tags ready. There's adorable ones online. That's what I did a few years ago, is I just printed some cute looking chalkboard type of labels on the internet. They were free and I just used those. So all I had to do was click print, cut them out, and you're done. So that's an idea. You can create your own, just make them really simple. And I'm just gonna put mine in a Ziploc baggie and put them in my gift area. So there we go, one less thing to worry about. The second thing I want you to do is in your gift section, I never did a budget section in my planner, just because I figured the budget section would be under the gifts. That's mostly what takes a lot of money, but if you want to make your own budget section, that's great. All I did was just list the people I normally give gifts to, and then I just put a dollar sign in how much I was planning to spend on them, and then I will put how much I ended up spending on them. Just so usually I go into Christmas blindly and I don't really know how much I'm spending. I have an idea of how much I want to spend, but I can't ever tell you from year to year, oh yeah, I spent this much on Christmas presents. I don't know. So I just want to keep better tabs on that and feel more prepared, so I'm not just spending without thinking. So however it looks for you, create a little budget list, start writing things down, just any ideas that you might have for people for Christmas. You might not be giving them anything at all. Maybe it's just a nice letter, but at least you have that in mind. Anyway, I hope you can do those two things. Let me know how you're all doing. Let me know if there's any specifics you would like me to get around to this next time, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.